Here's $3. Oh, $3. Eh, grabe. Keep the change. Yo! Decente bro, thanks. Yo, customer of the month. Yo, uy. Sabay umalis. Sabay umalis. Ayun. Burger. Here you go, pal. That'll be $2.99. You will be next. Yo. Do you mean? What do you mean? Ang weird na. Weirdo. Nagmo-moonwalk. Ayaw nga, no? Di pala nagbayad. Push it. No, eto na. Nako, nawala na ng kuryente.
Lakad mo to!
Normally.
May police officer pala lang pa. Palang nga to. Extra alert tonight. Alright, officer. Lampang officer, nadadapa ka pa. Sorry to hear that, officer. Madapa na naman to. Uy, yo, this guy is a bit suspicious. Can I get wow. Burger, please. Grabe ka naman mag-isip. Pakabagal mo naman. Sure, wait. I remember. Ay, ito hindi nagbayad. Tapos next na daw kami. That wasn't me. Whoa, look, someone behind. Shit. Ano naman? May balot pa yung price eh. Pag-yelo eh. Okay. Thank you.